So first thing we're going to do is just tap the screen and create, oh, hang on, create a class. There we go. And I'm going to call this user, because the reason why I'm creating this one, there we go. Okay, so that's the user model. So we now need to think about we now need to think about what other models we might have in our database. Now, rather than interfering with the user model, I thought that a candidate, a prospective candidate for a job, could create a profile of themselves, and it's just a one-off profile, but it's separate from the user table, so that we don't have to interfere with the user table. It's easier just to delegate everything to a separate model in this instance. And I'm going to call that candidate, and then we can create a relationship. I don't know what the official term is, but if I grab that, grab it onto there, it's a has one. A user can only have one candidate profile. So I think it would probably be a good idea to have a company model. So let's create that. And a company has many users. We'll use that one for the has many. A company can create a vacancy. Okay, so a company can have many vacancies. Again, that's going to be that one. So a candidate and a vacancy. Now this is interesting. So a vacancy could have many candidates, and a candidate could apply for many vacancies. So that would be a many-to-many. And what I tend to do with many-to-many is actually create it as a model for the join model. Rather than I don't like many-to-many, let me put it that way. I like to do the individual relationships to the join model in the middle. So a candidate for a vacancy, so we could call that candidate and a vacancy are put together, and that's a bookmark. So we'll call it bookmark, because at this point it's not an application, is it? And then what we can do is just do two has manys. Okay, looking good.